Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Suchith, and I'm a computer science graduate student in Colorado State University. And today I'm delighted to present about my research on Learning Analytics Dashboard for Advisors, a systematic literature review. So, speaking about our background, I'm currently in my last semester of my master's program, and I worked as software engineer intern in Dish Network and have been a graduate research assistant collaborating on Learning Analytics Dashboard under the guidance of Professor Marcia Moraes, who is an assistant professor in computer science department in CSU and my advisor for the research and also the co-author for this paper. She is a postdoctoral fellow at Center of Analytics for Learning and Teaching at CSU. Her research interests are learning analytics, epistemic network analysis, and distance learning, specializing in creating innovative applications and methods to enhance teaching and learning. Unfortunately, she has other commitments, so I'll be representing on behalf of both of us. So this is our today's agenda. The purpose of this presentation is to share the results of our systematic literature review. And here's today's agenda. So I'll begin with an overview of the abstract, followed by an introduction. Then we'll dive into research questions we've addressed and explore the methodology of this literature review and present the results and engage in a discussion and conclude our presentation. So starting with the abstract. So through our research, we focused on developing a learning analytics dashboard tailored for advisors, empowering them with data-driven insights on student academic progress and engagement. We have explored the current state of learning analytics dashboards through a comprehensive review of existing literature and case studies. Through this process, we pinpointed crucial features and functionalities essential for an effective advisor-centric dashboard. Our insights, drawn from the analysis of 21 research papers, shed light on the advancements and the opportunities and challenges in the realm of learning analytics dashboard for advisors. So our ultimate aim is to enhance these dashboards, enabling advisors to deliver proactive, individualized support to students, thereby contributing to improved student retention and academic success. So, introduction. Before I go into the details of our review, let me briefly introduce the background and motivation for our project. So, learning analytics is a field of study that involves using data to identify behavioral and study patterns in learners and to optimize the learning environment accordingly. Learning analytics dashboards are tools that use data from the distance learning platforms to provide information on feedback to various stakeholders such as students, instructors, and advisors. Coming to academic advising, it is a process that assists students in clarifying their career and educational goals and in developing a plan to achieve their academic goals as well. So, academic advisors are professionals who communicate with students and provide them with guidance and support. However, academic advising can be challenging, especially in online and blended learning contexts, where advisors may have limited access to student data and interactions. Therefore, we believe that Learning Analytics Dashboard can play a vital role in enhancing academic advising by providing advisors with timely and comprehensive insights into student performance, engagement, and progress. Moreover, we think that dashboards can also facilitate communication and feedback between advisors and students and enable data driven decision making and interventions. However, we also notice that there is a gap in the existing literature regarding the design and evaluation of learning analytics dashboards specifically for advisors. Most of the previous studies have focused on dashboards for students and instructors and have not addressed the unique requirements and challenges of advisors. Therefore, we decided to conduct a literature review to assess the current state of the art and to identify best practices and opportunities for future research and development, which aims to bridge the gap in available data and research, specifically focusing on advisor-centric dashboards. So now let's dive into the core of our research questions. Our first research question prompts us to uncover the overarching state of the art in learning analytics dashboard, considering the diverse needs and perspectives of students, instructors, and advisors. This comprehensive analysis allows us to grasp the nuances and advancements in learning analytics dashboards that cater to distinct requirements of each stakeholder group. Moving to our second research question, our second research question, our attention shifts specifically to learning on this dashboard tailored for advisors. We aim to identify the key features and functionalities embedded in these dashboards that empower advisors in providing enhanced support and advising options to students. By honing in on these specifics, we gain insights to how learning analytics dashboards can be fine-tuned to better serve the advisory role, ultimately helping improve decision making and guidance for students. Now, coming to our methodology. So this flowchart outlines the process of selecting published works for our literature review. So we began by identifying the relevant databases to ensure our comprehensive search. The initial filter involves application of keywords such as learning analytics, dashboards, and advisors to narrow down papers related to our focus. Subsequently, we applied a temporal filter considering papers from last 5 years to ensure the inclusion of recent insights. Following this, we carefully reviewed the titles and abstracts of the remaining papers, employing a rigorous selection criteria to identify literature that directly contributed to our research goals. The culmination of this process resulted in a total set of 21 papers, each contributing valuable insights to our exploration about dashboards. So this systematic approach ensures the relevance and timeliness of the literature included in our review. In crafting our systematic literature review, we meticulously define inclusion and exclusion criteria to ensure the selection of high quality and relevant research. So our inclusion criteria focus on peer-reviewed journals. Hello. Okay, so our inclusion criteria focus on peer-reviewed journals and conference proceedings, prioritizing recent studies published within last 5 years that directly address learning analytics and learning analytics dashboards. To maintain rigor, we excluded non-peer-reviewed articles, publications, and publications before 2018 and any redundant studies. So our search strategy involved a hierarchical approach, commencing with broad keywords and uh, progressively refining them for specificity. Keywords such as learning analytics dashboards, advisors, and feedback based learning. Such keywords, as I previously explained in the previous slide, were employed. And also leveraging the expansive reach of databases like Google Scholar, ACM Digital Library, Wiley Online Library, and IEEE Library. We navigated through a vast array of academic sources to compile a nuanced and diverse selection of 21 papers related to our research questions. So subsequently, after the examination of inclusion criteria and reviewing titles and abstracts, we conducted a comprehensive full text evaluation considering factors such as methodology, research questions, data quality, and analysis. And we also took third opinions so that to assess the credibility, robustness, and potential bias in the selected papers, and to ensure the utmost research integrity, manual screening was implemented to guarantee alignment with our research objectives. So in examining the results obtained from various databases, so the IEEE database initially yielded 11,303 papers, narrowed down to 164 relevant papers. And the Wiley Online Library, after filtering around 2 lakh papers and focusing on, a particular filter journal, provided 567 relevant papers. And then from the ACM library with an initial output of 1,71,416 results. We refined it to 9,974 papers. And after, applying different levels of filters and different filters related to our criteria regarding the timeline of the papers, we actually got a total of 21 papers. So coming to our literature review results. So this is the in the slide I've outlined our process for deriving results in a structured manner. Initially, we delve into previous literature reviews on learning analytics and learning analytics dashboards. So drawing insights from these reviews, we formulated a conceptual silhouette outlining our specific objectives and the targeted outcomes we aim to achieve, like what to look for about LA dashboards. So this served as a foundational guide as we started the analysis of dashboards, catering to different stakeholders. And this helped us to inform and refine our exploration of papers, ensuring a purposeful and strategic investigation into learning analytics dashboards. So talking about the papers we reviewed in the previous literature review of learning analytics and learning analytics dashboards, we uncovered a paper employing a qualitative descriptive approach within higher education. So this comprehensive review defines LA as an intelligent utilization of data to optimize learning environments, providing a detailed insight into its cyclic nature while addressing associated challenges and benefits. A significant emphasis is placed on the intersection between learning analytics and educational data mining, offering a nuanced understanding of their relationship. Another paper further delves into the stages of learning analytics, including prediction, clustering, and relationship mining, model discovery, and human resource data separation. Notably, it highlights the various advantages of learning analytics, ranging from course relevance identification to infrastructure enhancements, personalized learning opportunities, and post-learning prospects. So the multi-phased goals of learning analytics, such as enhancing student and teacher performance, improving educational content, and aiding slower learners, are thoroughly discussed in these. Additionally, the review explores various tools employed in learning analytics, such as DataShop, Gizmo, Inspire, Loco Analyst, Meerkat AD, MDM tool, and such tools, shedding light on diverse landscape of available resources. Another paper discusses on elaborating the methods employed in learning analytics, encompassing causal mining, clustering, discovery with models, knowledge tracing, outlier detection, and prediction recommendation, and more, offering a rich and insightful overview of the field. So continuing with this, this review uh, actually illuminates the benefits of learning analytics in providing timely and constructive feedback to students, underscoring its potential to significantly impact the learning experience. The study explores how tools can effectively support feedback procedures, contributing to broader discourse on improving educational practices. Additionally, we actually encountered a distinct gap in existing literature. Out of the three papers reviewed on the previous literature review of Alien Learning Analytics Dashboard, none specifically delved into examination of learning analytics dashboards for advisors. So this observation highlights a critical oversight considering the pivotal role that learning analytics dashboards play in supporting advisors in their interactions with students and decision making process. So this gap in the literature emphasizes the need for further research and exploration in tailoring LADs to meet the specific need and objectives of advisors in higher education settings. So the absence of dedicated literature reviews on learning analytics dashboard for advisors underscores an opportunity for us for future inquiry and advancements in this essential aspect of learning analytics. So, talking about papers which we reviewed on learning analytics dashboard for students. So in our exploration of LA dashboards tailored for students, a notable study investigates the intricacies of LA-based personalized feedback. This research delves into technical aspects like utilizing XAPI and open source learning record stores. The study not only emphasizes dashboard design, but also introduces innovative functionalities such as, content recommender, targeting mastery improvement, and the skill recommender, focusing on metacognitive strategies. So, an essential aspect of the study revolves around the impact of feedback on students' self-regulation and learning progress. The research advocates for process-oriented feedback, shedding light on, the need for a more nuanced approach to feedback delivery. The implications derived from the study encompass aligning personalized feedback with individual learning preferences, ensuring coherence with core syllabus, adopting a positive and constructive tone, and fostering dialogic communication. So, to conduct this research, some of the papers employed ONTA software and leverages epistemic network analysis for a comprehensive exploration of students' interactions with learning analytics based personalized feedback. Additionally, the study extends its scope by developing five prototype dashboards tailored for learning analytics in online discussions. These dashboards provide valuable insights into various aspects, including participation, interaction patterns, discussion content keywords, message types, and opinions expressed in debates. Another two significant studies that stood out for us is one which delves with feedback literacy and technology supported feedback systems. So this Research uniquely focuses on embedding trackable call to action links in feedback messages, aiming to enhance engagement and understanding. So the study also further categorizes feedback into task, process, and self-regulatory dimensions, providing valuable insights into effective feedback delivery methods. Another study takes a holistic approach, exploring the effectiveness of learning analytics dashboards based on process-oriented feedback within the iTutor e-learning platform. The research conducts a comprehensive experiment comparing a learning analytics dashboard with original analytic reports that offer productive oriented feedback. So this experimentation unfolds in a Python course incorporating, the iterative design, testing, and evaluation through surveys and interviews. So the study validates the hypothesis, asserting that process-oriented feedback proves more effective, and learning analytics dashboards are particularly beneficial for students with prior knowledge. Additionally, this study delves into dynamics of how feedback influences students' learning tactics, strategies, and time management. The research utilizes mixed methods, analyzing both learning traces and students' recall of experiences, providing a nuanced understanding of, interplay between feedback and students' learning process. Overall, these papers contribute significantly to advancing our, knowledge learning outcomes through innovative feedback mechanisms. So now, talking about, the papers on learning analytics dashboard for instructors. So there are two innovative papers which showcase the transformative power of technology in educational settings. So the first one is spotlights on the on task tool, remarkable integration of personalized learning support actions within learning management system. So this tool introduces a conceptual model that connects students' information with instructor-created rules for personalized learning support actions. So the software architecture, comprising six functional blocks, enables the seamless deployment of PLSAs, offering instructors a robust mechanism for giving personalized feedback. And also another study reviews a pilot implementation of on-task tool, exploring students' perceptions of feedback and emphasizing the positive impact of personalized feedback on if this then that kind of statements, conditional statements. So the OnTask emerges as a promising platform for tailored messages and enhanced student engagement. So parallelly, there's also another paper which introduced AMBA prototype, which is a cutting edge learning analytics framework that integrates learning analytics dashboard with a learning management system. So this prototype provides instructors with valuable insights, leveraging NLP based techniques and BERT models for in-depth student engagement analysis. So the study highlights significant improvements in both student performance and engagement, underscoring the potential of machine learning and cognitive state analysis. So few more insightful papers for the learning analytics dashboard for instructors, where one paper pioneers machine learning driven interventions for real-time support in problem-based learning. So this also leverages the state-of-the-art NLP and BERT models. And the study introduces innovative solutions for processing text data and tracking problem-solving activities. So another paper delves into educators' perspective on implementation of learning analytics centering around ECA writer tool. So, through qualitative analysis of interviews with lead educators, the study has uncovered motivation strategies and challenges and observed outcomes related to integration of learning analytics into, the educational landscape. And the implementation strategies have outlined, co-design, creation of authentic learning experiences and seeking support. So this is about the papers of advisors learning analytics dashboard, which we have looked regarding the instructors. So now coming to our main focus of learning analytics dashboards for advisors. So few papers have showcased innovative approaches to, support, enhance the advising process. One among them is which introduces a LADA tool. It's Learning Analytics Dashboard for Advisors, strategically designed to, elevate academic advising through comparative and predictive analysis. So with focus on providing advisors with comprehensive insights and predictive models. LADA features semester planning based on academic history, risk prediction using clustering techniques, and user-friendly interface. And also complementing this, there are few other papers which centers around LA dashboards for advisors, which is Lisa tool. So this dashboard is intricately crafted to foster and improve communication between study advisors and students. So its design emphasizes a clear overview of students' progress, encourages peer comparison, and facilitated data-driven discussions. So there is a case study conducted where uh, the evaluation based on 97 session post exams revealed its efficacy in promoting dialogue and motivation among students. So, but however, this paper highlights the necessity for further research to determine its applicability across diverse programs and institutions. So, here are a few more papers which explore the academic advising dashboards within Latin American universities. So, this research initiative led to development of two distinct type of dashboards. One is the descriptive analysis, and another is predictive analysis through machine learning. So, the challenges encountered during the exploration included the identifying of relevant indicators and navigating, among the diverse stakeholder perspectives. And parallelly, there's also another paper which focuses on, design and evaluation of dashboard that integrates a black box predictive model for students' success in advising practices. So to address the inherent challenge of black box nature of predictive models, the author proposed an interactive and explainable dashboard. So this approach aims to not only provide insights into student success, but also ensures transparency and user trust. So together, these papers contribute valuable insights to ongoing discourse on learning analytics dashboards tailored for academic advisors, encapsulating, the advancements and challenges in the dynamic field. So let's discuss about how we approach our research questions through our results. So, in this literature, we actually explored LA dashboards impact students, instructors, and advisors. So we focused on relevant papers to understand the current state of learning analytics dashboards. So our main question was about the diverse perspectives and functions of LADs. So for students, LADs aim to give personalized feedback and help in self-regulated learning. However, there are challenges like feedback gap, and we need more extensive research to fully understand how learning analytics dashboards benefit students. Looking at instructors, learning analytics dashboards support personalized learning actions and data-driven decisions. So, the tools like OnTask integrate support actions into learning management systems for better scalability. Also, the use of learning machine learning enhances instructors' abilities for timely interventions. These discussions contribute to our understanding of LEDs and how can they improve education. In discussing LA dashboards for advisors, we uncovered their potential to revolutionize academic advising. Noteworthy examples like Lada and Lisa have provided detailed insights, transforming the way advisors support students. But however, challenges exist, particularly the need for transparency in prediction algorithms. So we emphasize that academic advising dashboards go beyond specific regions, highlighting the importance of predicting models in enhancing decision making. And the second research question, we explored uh, key features in learning analytics dashboards for advisors that aim to enhance student support and facilitate data informed decisions. So, predictive analysis play a crucial role in identifying at-risk students, enabling timely interventions. Also, the inclusion of comprehensive student profiles and valuable intervention recommendations further enhances advisor decision making capabilities. So these discussions contribute to the evolving landscape of academic advising supported by innovative learning analytics dashboards. So our results also highlighted the significance of communication tools within learning analytics dashboards. Moreover, we underscored the importance of feedback mechanisms embedded within LADs, promoting seamless integration between advisors and students. In this context, we emphasize the crucial aspect of users' trust, which is enhanced through interactive and explainable learning analytics dashboard designs. So these discussions contribute to the ongoing evolution of LADs, emphasizing their role in effective communication and support within educational settings. Now, let me conclude and give a sneak peek of our future scope of our research. In conclusion, our examination of LA dashboards for advisors have revealed a clear need for additional features to empower advisors in their critical roles. So we propose aligning with early performance feedback initiative to provide immediate insights to students performance, acknowledging the importance of comprehensive student performance analysis throughout the semester. And notably, the identified gap in the existing literature emphasizes the, you know, novelty and significance of these proposed features. To validate these findings, insights from academic success coordinators have been, taken, confirming the practical significance of these proposed additions. As a result, we are committed to development of advanced LED that incorporates these features, aiming to create a holistic advising system that effectively addresses the current gaps. So these are the proposed key features of new LED that we are going to, design in further future. So one is early performance feedback integration, which enables advisors to identify at-risk students in early semester, like first 4 weeks of semester. Then This facilitates timely interventions and support for struggling students. And second is like comprehensive student progress tracking, like track students' progress over time using diverse data points within the learning analytics dashboard, which gives a holistic view of academic performance and engagement, and which also enhances the effectiveness of academic advising. So, these proposed features aim to empower advisors with timely information and a comprehensive understanding of student progress, helping more proactive and personalized support. Thank you, everyone.